Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to cook an amazing soup. First, I show you what ingredients you need to make a soup, and then I will show you how to cut the veggies into the beautiful shape. Please keep following me, there are lots of tricks and tips. The first step, we are going to season the pork. If you cannot find the coriander roots, then you also can use the leaf instead. Here I pound the garlic, black pepper and coriander roots until you get like this. And after that, add to the minced meat. Also add soy sauce and mix well together. And a good trick is to add the half of teaspoon potato starch to keep the mince firm, and when you boil it will not go out from the cucumber. Okay, let's see how I cut the veggies. I will show you how to cut the cucumber and also zucchini. I like both texture in the soup. Next, stuff the minced meat into the cucumber and zucchini. You must press a bit until it's completely full. Here I show you how to cut the carrot into a cute flower shape and then slide them into 1 cm thickness. Oh, and be careful your fingers. Don't press so hard, otherwise you will break the whole carrot. The shitake is very easy to engrave with the top of your knife. Do it gently and follow the step as I show in this video. Cut the spring onion into 3 cm. I use about 4 stalks. Okay, now let's start cooking. Firstly, add 1 liter of water and put the stock cube into the pot. Any kind of stock, pork, vegetable, chicken is fine. Set on high heat first and then wait till it boils. Better to cover with the lid. Secondly, add the stuffed cucumber and zucchini plus some balls and soy sauce afterward and cover back again. Wait until it boils, not too long, it's about 5 seconds. Take a spoon to remove the fat out. This is the only way to make sure that the soup stays clear. Thirdly, after 10 minutes pass, add the carrot and mushrooms and then cover back again. 5 minutes later, check if everything has cooked. I use the fork to poke my veggies. If it's soft, that means it's cooked and it's ready. Lastly, add the spring onion and coriander and turn off the heat. Now we're going to decorate the plate. Here I add some deep fried garlic, good for the smell, and some coriander leaves on the top. There you have it. Look beautiful, doesn't it? I hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.